So future looks pretty weak here. Market is about to open in 2 minutes, and I'm looking at Meta. Looking to enter at Meta at $102. Has room to 102.50 cents. If we have a bear market, I'm looking at Tesla. Tesla below 187. Market is bouncing heavy. We're at a support level. Very strong support on Tesla. There we go. Huge bounce on Tesla. Could we see it on Meta? Tesla's high of day. $102.50. I'm about to get in. It looks good. I'm in. New high. There we go. New high. About to get out. 103 is about to break. If NQ bounces up, then I'm still holding. New high. There we go. Fantastic. I'm about to get out. I'm out. Wow. Wow, look at Tesla. So I'm looking at 195. We need a pullback. There we go, nice pullback on Tesla. Very strong resistance at 195. If this breaks with volume, I'm gonna get in on Tesla. It's showing strength here, look at that. NQ. Tesla 195. I need to see clear strength on NQ. Big wick on SPY. Here we go. I'm in this. Wow. Yes, come on Tesla. Wow. It's still going. I'm out. Yo. I ain't going to hold it too long. Look at that. It's sold somewhere at the peak. Fantastic. £164 plus £121. Strong place on Tesla and Meta.